the dinosaurs have been eradicated from the face of the Earth because of a 6-mile rock called an asteroid. These asteroids are a threat to humanity, as one of the larger asteroids can wipe out not just humans, but also all life on Earth completely. In this video, we are going to be thinking of ways to save humanity from an asteroid, or if an asteroid strikes anyway, how to lessen the damage and restore the Earth back to normal. To explain in scientific terms, asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the Sun. They are much smaller than planets, the smallest the size of dust, and the largest, 150 times larger than Mount Everest. There are millions, maybe even billions of asteroids in our solar system, some of them living in the main asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and most of the asteroids orbiting the Sun in the Kuiper belt, a place where comets, icy asteroids, orbit beyond Neptune. How to protect yourself from the asteroids? There is no currently available way to fully protect yourself from this without spending millions of dollars on it, but let's assume you're a billionaire who would do anything to protect your country. By paying millions to make a spacecraft, and no, I'm not thinking of sending you and others into space, you can use the spacecraft to slam it into an asteroid, altering its course. This has actually been scientifically tested on September 26, 2022, when NASA wanted to see if they could alter an asteroid's course, and with enough time and simulations, they managed to do it. The damage caused. As the asteroid collided on Earth, it impacted into a shallow ocean and penetrated the Earth's crust down to a depth of several kilometers. It vaporized, melted and shattered ocean water and the Yucatan target rocks composed of carbonate and sulfate. As a result, a crater some 200 kilometers in diameter formed. Restoring the damage. After the asteroid hits Earth, it'll be hard to recover from the damage, depending on the size of the asteroid. If you're lucky to survive such an event, hiding in a bunker and such, you'll come back to a changed Earth. Floods, due to the shockwave from the asteroid traveling faster than the speed of sound, fallen trees, again, due to the shockwave, and a crater thrice as deep as the asteroid's diameter. Many things will need to be done in order to restore everything. Cities may have been destroyed with the forests as well. First, you need to replant the trees. This is to restore the ecosystem and make the forest booming with life again. Next, you would need to find a way to somehow transport all the saltwater from the flood back into the ocean. This is so that animals living in freshwater lakes can repopulate easier and not need to evolve over millions of years just to be able to go to salt water. Finally, and importantly for us, we have to rebuild our cities, piece by piece. The shockwave caused by the collision also destroys electrical wires, so we're doing all this from scratch. Be prepared to rebuild our home, piece by piece. Thanks for watching this video. This was an IDU project for school, and this was really hard to make. I have saved multiple files onto my laptop and now it's running really slow, yet I still enjoyed making this project for you all. Have a good day, and I'll see you in another video.